Hi, welcome to Get Going with Kotlin. In this section, we're going to build our very first Kotlin-based Android application. We're then going to go over some basic syntax, classes, functions, variables, and comments, and then we will discuss mutable and immutable variables, which have a very distinct difference in Kotlin as opposed to Java. Building your first Kotlin app. In this video, we're going to create and invoke a simple function, and then we're going to build and run our app. So if we open up our IDE again, and you'll see here that I have my emulator open on the side. So what we'll do here is we're going to go in the onCreate, and we're just going to go ahead and we'll try to invoke a method. Let's call it showToast. So clearly this method doesn't exist. So what I'll do is I'll create it. And what I'll make it do is I'll just call a simple toast as we're used to in Java. The context is this. The message will be. So the first thing we'll notice is that the semicolons are underlined. And that's because Kotlin doesn't use semicolons. So we can remove that from here and from here. And now we can just run our application just like we would in Java. So simplest way is just click the play button over there. Select the deployment target, which is my Nexus 5 emulator, and you'll see it just starts running here, installing the APK, and shortly thereafter we have our app and it's showing our toast just as we expected.